Hey there, little bakers. Let me tell you the sweetest story about a muffin named Blueberry who had the funniest case of hiccups ever. Blueberry was the bounciest little muffin in Bakery Town, always playing and giggling with her muffin friends. One day, while having a tea party with chocolate chip and vanilla bean, she started going hic hic hic. Every time she hiccuped, her blueberries would bounce up and down, making all the other muffins laugh. "Oh dear," said Chocolate Chip. "We need to help our friend." They tried everything. Vanilla Bean suggested holding her breath, but that just made her cheeks puff up like a balloon. Chocolate Chip made her drink water upside down, which only made her sprinkle drops everywhere. Even wise old Grandpa Bran Muffin came to help. He shared his secret recipe, a tiny pinch of sugar and a gentle pat on the back. But heck, nothing worked. Just when Blueberry thought she'd hiccup forever, something amazing happened. Raspberry told the funniest joke about a clumsy cupcake, and everyone burst out laughing, including Blueberry. And just like that, her hiccups were gone. Now, whenever any muffin in Bakery Town gets the hiccups, they know the best cure is a good laugh with friends.